Hello everyone, Jim here from Storm Warning News, and multiple agencies and emergency crews were on the scene and have confirmed with multiple casualty incident at a South Fork dairy in Castro County in Dimmitt, Texas. Now the explosion took place around 8:15 p.m. on Monday evening the 10th. And there was reports of a large mushroom cloud rising from the distance. It's currently unknown how many people were injured, as it is still, at that time, was developing. I will show you this here, courtesy of Raw's News. There's some more imagery here of emergency responders. Now this was a dairy farm, and considering everything that we have seen over the last couple of years with train derailments and this and food processing plants exploding, burning, you have to be curious as to how this could have happened at a dairy farm. Was this just an accident, or is there something much larger at play here? Here are more details. One person was hospitalized after an explosion and fire at the South Fork Dairy, southeast of Dimmitt, Texas. According to Castro County Sheriff Sal Rivera, it happened at around 7:20 p.m. That would have been Central Time. On Monday evening, a woman was transported to University Medical Center in Lubbock. Several other people were checked out and treated on scene. Now, according to Mayor Roger Malone, the explosion was heard several miles away. The large plume of smoke could be seen more than 30 miles away in Hereford, and smoke from fire at the South Fork Dairy in Dimmitt was visible on the Storm Surge 7 radar for about 30 minutes. So certainly this was a colossal explosion with some injuries. What was the cause of this? Was this something accidental, or, again, considering everything that we have seen over the last couple of years, these attacks on our food sources, these alleged accidents, these explosions, we don't need to recount them all, with food processing and, of course, now this dairy farm with trains. You have to wonder what is truly at play here. This is Jim signing off. Until the next time, God bless you.